Rivera, plant director. Today you're going inside the biggest sausage factory on earth. From happy pigs to perfect links, every secret revealed. Let's dive in. Look how happy they are with the new system.
Yeah, definitely worth the investment.
They seem much calmer.
180 days later, massive 130-kilogram Berkshire pigs ready for processing.
Keep moving, girls. Watch that gate. We're almost done here.
Also kills surface bacteria.
Read 5 minutes, complete drainage for perfect meat color.
Nothing wasted. Every part has a purpose.
Only the best cuts become sausages.
First course grind, texture is everything.
Now we get that perfect sausage consistency. Fat and culminate flavor and juiciness, bro. The secret ratio.
Secret recipe injected with precision. Egg yolks make sausages extra tender.
This is the moment. Hain, pure sausage magic.
Additional casings for authentic snap. No air pockets. Hain are the perfect sausage every time.
50,000 sausages per hour, and he roars, all identical.
Some sausages still need the human touch.
Now comes the flavor bomb, smoking.
Natural wood smoke hooable, the soul of great sausage.
Slow smoking equals deep, rich flavor. Look at that color. That's pure perfection.
Locks in juices and stops cooking. Prevents mold. Extends shelf life. From meat to package in under 2 hours. Full traceability. Know exactly where your sausage came from.
Ready for worldwide shipping.
Sausages stay fresh for months. Heading to 50 countries around the world. Zero waste. Even trim becomes premium dog food. This factory runs partly on sausage waste.
From breakfast links to chorizo to bratwurst. This is why we do it. $12 million tons of happiness, one link at a time.
Every premium sausage pack gets a tamper-proof hologram.
Yes, the nose test is still the gold standard.
Every link weighs exactly 56 grams, no exceptions.
This is where the flavor party really starts.
1 degree off and the texture changes. We never miss.
Real casings, real snap, no compromises.
Vacuum removes air. No oxidation. Longer shelf life.
Some sausages still deserve the human touch.
Applewood gives that sweet, smoky kiss nobody can resist.
This is what 12 hours of pure hickory looks like.
Rapid cooling locks in every drop of juice.
Science keeping your sausage perfect.
1 in a million singer, but we still catch it.
This is what perfect marbling looks like on screen.
From this Ix's barn to your breakfast in 9 days.
Breakfast links, Italian, chorizo, bratwurst, those all made here.
Collectors write over these every year.
And it's only noon.
We never sleep because the world never stops eating sausage.
Sausages travel first class all the way to your store. Even the casing becomes life-saving material. Million tons of happiness, one bite at a time.
You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Everyone gets a treat today.
This is why we do what we do.
This factory makes its own electricity from yesterday's trim.